How to get a personal loan with Sofi. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open up any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for sofi.com/personal loans/. Once you search for it, this is the home page you're gonna see in your screen. From your screen, you want to go ahead and tap on view your rate, and you'll answer a few questions about your income, employment, and desired loan amount. This triggers a soft credit check. Your credit score remains untouched. Within a minute, you'll see a potential loan offer tailored to you. Once done, tap on next. And just like so, you want to go ahead and answer a few questions. Type in your date of birth. And before driving into a full application, you want to go ahead and assemble your ID, your proof of address, your income verification, and also your social security number. Go ahead and type it in and then tap on check my name. If you are self-employed, tax return or bank statement will suffice. After it is done, you want to go ahead and select your preferred loan offer and proceed to full application. This step involves a hard credit check, which may slightly impact your credit score. Submit your gathered information and documents and wait for approval. Sofi typically views application within 1 business day, so most are completed within 2 business days. And if you're self-employed or co-applicant, it may take up to 10 business days. And once it is approved, Sofi disburses funds via ACS transfer. Depending on your bank, you can see your money in your bank account the same way or within the same days. And that is simply how to get a personal loan with Sofi. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.